So here we have the K&N air filter for the LDV G10. Supposedly it's washable, reusable, supposedly increased performance, high flow, increased horsepower and acceleration. Who knows? Will I feel a difference? We'll have to wait and see. Now, to start off with, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver because you've got 4 Phillips screws around the front edge of the air filter box. So just get those undone. Now, the one on the furthest to your left or driver's side, you will have difficulty getting it out. So make sure that you do use a magnetic screwdriver to be able to lift that out. So as you can see here, I've got a different screwdriver there. So here I found that it wasn't enough to get the air filter box off, so I've got my flathead screwdriver under the hose clamp and just pulling the hose back a bit so that I can now wiggle up the top of the air filter and access the filter itself. Now you will need to wiggle it out a bit because it is quite a tall, thick filter. The engine cover, you might want to lift that up or take it off altogether, just to give you a bit more room there. Okay, so we'll pull that out. There you go. Out she comes. You see it's got like a layer of wool sort of stuff. It is quite a thick filter. So we'll just pull out the K&N and we'll just compare that so you can see the difference. Okay, so in the box you've got a couple of stickers. There you go. The air filter service sticker, not to throw it away. A couple of K&N stickers. Some reading material there. Okay, so that just gives you a bit of info on the filter itself. I'll just put that aside for now. And here we go, it's the filter itself. Just comparing it against the factory filter to see the difference. Just make sure the orientation is right. So as you can see, the K&N is a much thinner filter, probably about half as thick in height to the original factory OEM filter. But yeah, all the other dimensions look very similar, so it should slot straight in. Just to mention that this particular filter is not exactly made for the LDV G10. I'll cover what vehicles it is from a bit later on in the video and give you the part number. Okay, just get that bit of plastic out of the way. Now just make sure you've got the orientation right because one edge is a bit longer than the other. Okay, and as you can see, just go straight in. Very easy, just make sure you've got it completely fitted correctly, dead flat, and installation is basically just reverse of how you got the original one out. So put everything back together, tighten everything up. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so just get it all back on. Now K&N don't actually list this air filter as made for the G10. Believe it or not, it's actually made for Jeep and Chrysler. So I believe it's made for the Grand Cherokee and the Chrysler 300C. So the part number that you want is K&N 33-3029. Okay, and this will go straight into the G10 petrol motor. Okay, and finally, don't forget your sticker to say do not remove or do not discard this filter. And that's it, you're done. Easy.